Here's the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. I'm going to show you how to set it up and pair it, okay? So first thing is go to your Google Play Store. If you have an Android, if you have an iPhone, go to your App Store. So I have an Android phone here. This is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So first thing is I'm going to go to the Play Store here, and you need to download this app, and it's Z-E-P-P, ZEP, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and search for that, and you can see what the icon here looks like, ZEP, right there. So go ahead and download that. I need to go ahead and update mine, but go ahead and download it, and then you need to go ahead and create an account. It's free to do it, very simple. Create an account, and then once you create an account, you can go ahead and open up the ZEP app, open it back up. And then from here, we want to go down here and click on Profile in the bottom right, tap right there. And now you can see I had other ones connected. I had a GTS 3 and a Amazfit Band 5 as well. But what we want to do is on the My Devices, all the way to the right, it says Add. Let's tap Add. And then ours is a watch. So the first one up here says Watch. Let's tap on Watch. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and grab the watch here. And we're going to go ahead and choose our language. I'm going to go with English here. Now there's a QR code here. So I'm going to click on watch with QR code. So let me go ahead and tap on that right there. And I need to go ahead and scan this. All right, let's see if it pairs right away. Oh, it just paired. See it right there. Also, if it doesn't pair right away, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, okay? So now it says accept the binding request, basically a pairing request. I'm going to tap on the check mark right there. It says binding. It says pairing down there. Okay, before activating previously paired. And this message is just for me for my previous Amazon or my Amazfit GTS 3, so you don't have to worry about that. And then right here, little tutorial here, you can just swipe down the watch face to view the control center, swipe up to view notification. So you can slide down, or you can go ahead and move up like that for notifications. And then we can go ahead and move over to the right, just read through this, swipe left or right to the watch face. You can swipe left, or you can swipe right. And then you just go ahead and keep reading through this. This little tutorial here. Press the side button on the watch face to open up the app list. And this last one here says swipe right on most pages to return to the previous page. Okay, so if you swipe right, that's basically the back button. Okay, so from here you can go ahead and tap on start. Oh, looks like there's a system update. It says please keep the watch fully charged. So it's downloading now. So we're going to wait for this update now. And you can see the watch here says downloading. Please wait for 10 minutes. You can see right there. So let's be patient here. Let it update. We're almost there. Now it says verifying. Update successfully. Now we're getting the update on the watch here itself. Almost done installing. It's at 98% now. All right, went to 100%. Now it's restarting. Now it says preparing, and it says update completed. As you can see right there, slide all the way down, press on the check mark right there, and there you go. We are now in business, guys. And of course you got the app right here as well. You can see I got 58% on my GTS 4 Mini here. You can tap on that. You can go ahead and read through all the settings here as well. Pretty simple. Any questions or issues, comment below. All right, good luck, guys. Bye.